Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin. First, you'll need to select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Next, complete the necessary identity verification steps to comply with regulations. Then, fund your account using a method that suits you, like a bank transfer or debit card. Finally, you can place your order to purchase Bitcoin, making your first step into the crypto world. When choosing an exchange, prioritize platforms known for robust security measures to protect your assets. Also, compare trading fees. Many offer rates below 1%, which can save you money. Make sure the exchange supports your local currency for easy deposits and withdrawals. Finally, consider if it offers a good selection of other cryptocurrencies you might be interested in. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to fund your account. Linking your bank account is a common method for direct transfers. For quicker purchases, you can often use a debit or credit card, though these might have higher fees. Some platforms also offer peer-to-peer options, providing more flexibility. For larger investments, a wire transfer is usually a secure choice. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy. Head to the Buy section of your chosen exchange. Enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you want to acquire, either in fiat currency or Bitcoin units. Always take a moment to carefully review all transaction details, including the price and any fees. Once satisfied, confirm your purchase to complete the order and own your first Bitcoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.